right. I left the shop last night late, and I didn't have time to go over everything for you guys on the 87. I am replacing this broken piece beneath the filler neck, and also the missing chrome around the reverse lamp. And you wanted to see it, someone said to me, in totality, so here it is. Solid, rust-free car. Just magnificent machine. These are such good looking cars, you know. And she runs so nice. Just so nice. So I'm going to show you the interior real quick. There's a new roof, of course. It's raining here. Look at the interior on this car. I haven't even shampooed it yet. I've been too busy. But I'm going to do it when I get back from the paint shop. No sense doing it now because it's going to get soiled again from the paint, all the sanding and stuff. 110,589 kilometers. And she shows it. Nowhere, anywhere. A lot of times these are prone to cracking if it was a high mileage car. And look at the wear or lack of wear on all the accessories and all the functions. She's just a magnificent old Cadillac. And this is Cadillac's base model, but by goodness, it's luxury, absolute luxury. The Delagants, as you know, the chrome continues down, and Delagant script, tufted seats, but these seats are so comfortable though. I'm going to put her back in the shop now and take her to the body shop before the weekend, as I said yesterday. And thank you all so much for the amazing comments, the messages. I appreciate every one of them. I can't always respond right away, but when I can, I do. And thank you all so much for your support and for allowing me into your homes to restore these old Cadillacs. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you down the road.